Okay, so I finally discovered how to get free diamonds on Bigo Live, so let me show you what we're doing today. As you can see, nothing to write home about on Bigo Live, 14,000 diamonds. So I will enable my menu here, and as you can see, option for unlimited coins, diamonds is available. So let me just turn that on, and now they should start increasing. So let's see what happens to our Bigo Live experience. So nothing is happening. Yeah, it's increasing. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Works on iOS and Android. So yeah, super cool. So let's get into the video. So let's go. All right. So first thing we're going to do is open our browser. And I want you on the website hexmods.com. Okay. So this is a modded website. So head on down there, and in the search bar, we're just going to type Bigo, and then go ahead and press on it, press the download button. So before it downloads the mod, there is going to be one more step. It's verification. So what this is you have to download 2 apps and follow instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So let me just show you guys how to do it. So as you can see right here, it says missing files. So basically we have all these apps, and you have to download 2 of these. They don't have to be the same as me, but you can see like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. So I would just download it and run it for 30. Merge Gardens, reach level 9. So yeah, just do 2 of these. Doesn't have to be the same. Some of these game ones are a little more advanced, but this one's like reach level 10. So I just press continue, and then continue again. And then we're good to go. So I'll see you later. But yeah, subscribe if you want to get free diamonds on Bigo Live. So yeah, there's a video too. So if you're really lost, you can watch that. But yeah, it's just super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later. But that's how I get the Bigo Live free diamonds. Super cool. This is new and improved, by the way. So it should work for you guys permanently.